Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to be looking at our spelling words. You may repeat after me. The first word is don't, can't. I'm, isn't. He's, will. And I want to hear you repeating the words after me. I am listening even though I'm in another center, boys and girls. It's, I've. Didn't, your. That's, wasn't. You've, there. I'll, he'll. She'll, we're. She's, doesn't. And that's it. If you notice, all of our words have an apostrophe. Do you see that? That is called an apostrophe. This right here, boys and girls, let me get my tool. This right here is called an apostrophe. And you might be asking, well, why are we using an apostrophe? Why is an apostrophe even here? Well, our spelling words for this week are called contractions. And let me tell you what contractions are. Give me 1 minute. Whoa, what happened? Okay, so contractions are, or a contraction is, one word that is made by putting together two separate words and shortening them. So you are putting two words together and you're making them shorter. So, this is just telling us that there are 70 contractions, that there's 70 words that are contractions in the English language. And most contractions are made by leaving out two letters like the word she will. Some contractions are missing only one letter and the words are squeezed together. So some contractions are only missing one letter and some contractions will be missing two letters. For example, in our word didn't is a contraction of these two words. Did and not. Did not make up the word didn't. So let me grab a whiteboard really quickly. So if I have the words did not, I can put these two words together and I can make a contraction. It's kind of like an addition problem. Let me use a different color. Kind of like an addition problem. I would grab the word did and I would put the word not next to it, but instead of putting the O, I would erase, put an apostrophe, and then my T. So this apostrophe right here is this O right here. It takes the place of the missing letters. So if I have, for example, the word she'll is our contraction. And this word is made up of the words she and will. If I put these two words together, I make the contraction she'll. But as you can see, WI is not right here. So the apostrophe takes the place of the W and of the I. And all I use are the L's at the end, the double L at the end. So all of our words for this week consist of that. This is the word I've. So if I have the word I've, this word is made of the words I and have. So if I put these two words together, I make the contraction I've. And as you can see, the H and the A are what's missing in my contraction I've. I took away the H and the A, and I put the VE at the end. So I have my I apostrophe VE. And remember, the apostrophe takes the place of my missing letters, the ones that I took off. We have the contraction it's. Again, oops, I was supposed to use my whiteboard. Give me one moment. There you go. It's. Apostrophe S. So guess which two words I used here? If you said it and is, you are correct. I took off the I and I put the apostrophe and I put the two words together. It is. I took off the I, put an apostrophe, and now it's the word it's. So instead of saying in a sentence, I like that it is cold outside, I would say I like that it's cold outside. So let me show you an example. I like that it is cold outside. Oops, I almost ran out of space. Period right there somewhere. There you go. I like that it is cold outside. So instead of saying it is, I can put those two words together and instead say it's. So I could say, I like that it's cold outside. So I put these two words together and made my contraction it's. Alright, boys and girls, so now that you have an idea of what a contraction is, I'm going to play Showdown with you. Let me get my spelling words. Okay, so I want you to get your whiteboards and an expo marker and an eraser, and if there's not enough erasers, please share. And I want you to spell the word don't. I don't understand what a contraction is. Don't. Showdown. Don't. Remember to put the apostrophe right here in between the N and the T because that is going to count on your spelling test. The next word is can't. I can't do my homework tonight. Can't. Can't. Notice how my apostrophe stays on the top. I do not put it all the way to the bottom because then that looks like a letter to me. So make sure that it just stays up on top in between these two letters. The next word, I'm. I'm so tired of eating pizza every day. I'm. Showdown. I'm. The next word is isn't. It isn't nice when you say mean things. Isn't. Showdown. Isn't. The next word is his. I like that his nice. Showdown. His. He's. His. He's. Boys and girls, I was saying it wrong. It's not his, it's he's. I'm sorry. Again, he's. I like that he's nice. He's. We'll. We'll do our work together. We'll. Showdown. We'll. And this is a contraction of we and wheel. Took off the WI, and now we have wheel. The next word is it's. I like that it's cold outside. It's. Showdown. It's. It's is a contraction of the words it is. I take off the I, put an apostrophe to replace my I, and I have the contraction it's. The next word is I've. I've gotten really good grades this year. I've. Showdown. I've. And I've, boys and girls, is a contraction of the words I have. I take off the HA. I use the VE instead only, sorry. The HA is an apostrophe, which is right here, and I use my VE to replace. The next word is didn't. I didn't get to do my homework last night. Didn't. Showdown. Didn't. Oops, sorry. And didn't is a contraction of the words did not. So I put these two words together. I erased the O, or I got rid of the O. I used the N, I used the T, and the O, since it's no longer there, I use an apostrophe to replace it. The next word is your. I like that you're so nice to everyone. Your. Showdown, your. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, I'm sorry. Your. Your is a contraction of the words you and are. So you use the word your when you're trying to say you are. So when you're trying to say you are nice, instead of saying you are nice, you can say you're nice. So I took off the A and I used the R and the E, and the apostrophe takes the place of my A. The last word that I'm going to do with you guys is we're. We're so awesome. We're. Showdown, we're. Again, we're is a contraction of the words we are. So instead of saying we are awesome, we can say we're awesome. And I took off the A and I replaced it with the apostrophe, and then I used the R and the E. Alright, boys and girls, it is almost time for the alarm to ring, so start cleaning up. Put my boards and my expo markers where they belong, with the erasers as well. Stack up everything nice and neatly. Have an awesome day, boys and girls.